Okay, so before jshell was introduced, just to print a simple hello world message with Java, one needed to create a file, declare a class and main method and whatnot. So jshell is introduced to make it more like learning friendly, and it's an interpreter script. So to run it, you need to run this script. Here I added it to path, so I can run it from wherever I want, but usually it's in a bin folder in a Java installation file. So there are two main types of commands. First is like regular Java expressions, and the other one is jshell commands that starts with slash. So what we can do here is pretty much same as Java. We can declare variables, see their values. So semicolon is not actually required for one-line statements, but it's a good practice to use it because in Java it is required. So we can create as well strings. So I will name this one string, and we can use tab for autocomplete. So if I type here autocomplete, then redeclaration is possible. Like it's not possible in Java actually, but here it is. So I can write like string I equals. So if we check now, it's actually a string, and earlier it was declared as an integer. So next, what we can do is like if we have some m, we can use it in expressions. So, but we can use it only if it's declared. If we try to use something that is not declared, it will throw an error. So we can create expressions without the left-hand side, like 2 plus 3, and we see this $sign and 9. That's actually a scratch variable, and that's a variable that's automatically created if you don't assign the value of the expression, and it's inheriting the type, so it's going to be integer, and it's very useful when we are randomly typing expressions because their value is stored and we can access its value. So n should be 10 now. Then we have up arrows and down arrows work for previous commands. There is this vars command which gives all variables, and another useful one is list, which gives list of all commands executed, and it's really useful because when multi-line statements, it will return them as a single line because up and down arrows won't work in that case. So if you do now /1, it will execute the first command from the list. And another good one is reset, and we can reset all the state, all what we've done without exiting the shell. So jshell supports multi-lines statements. I mean, this would work as well, but it's not really a good practice to write code like this. So if you want to, we can also do the if clause. If we now press enter, jshell will automatically know that the statement is not done and he will switch to new row. We can now make k to be 10, and it still knows it's not done until we close the bracket, and then it's done. And now if we check the value of k, it's going to be 20. So one more thing is methods. Like the simplest method is system out println, but we can create our own methods like here greeting, and we can accept parameters. We need to define a type of them also. it can return like hi, what's the name, and that's it. And if you call the method for Alexa, it will return. Okay, maybe I should put a space in there, but that's it for now.